we've decided to kick off with the Porsche 911. You see, when it was launched, what, 5,000 years ago? It was very fast and very dangerous. But then over the years, they made it softer and more civilized and safer until they ended up with this one. Now, this wasn't so much a car, more a place where a fat, balding, middle-aged man could go off and have his midlife crisis. I liked it a lot.
The S rides low on fat, noisy tyres. It has a harsh, bone-breaking ride that jiggles your jowls and rattles the trim. It is as uncomfortable and as loud as Rod Stewart's leopard skin disco trousers. So, if you just want something to pose around the harbour bar, you'll pretty much hate it. But if you want to drive, it is spectacularly good.